we will see an inevitable drop of minus 14% on Aapl. And today's analysis, I will take a look at Aapl looking at a higher time frame, showing you how you can capitalize on the next potential trading opportunity. If we take a look right here at the monthly chart of Aapl, and we first of all determine the overall trend, you can see that overall this chart is perfectly moving from bottom left to top right, and Aapl is clearly in an uptrend. If we then look at specific market structure, there is basically one repetitive pattern which I have to share with you. This is basically just a break and retest of the previous all-time high. Let's actually start with the first one of 2018 and 2020. We had the previous all-time high. Aapl created a bullish break and retest, and from here continuation away towards the upside. We had again a repetition of this pattern in the beginning of 2023 when Aapl also perfectly broke above the previous all-time high, came back to retest this previous resistance, which after the break towards the upside was turned support, and then continued its bullish move. Again, we had the same pattern happening right here in 2024 when Aapl perfectly broke above this previous all-time high, came back to retest, created bullish confirmation, which played out beautifully. And as you can see, Aapl is currently trading almost at an all-time high. Now, why do I think we will see a drop on Aapl? Because, and it's basically just two lines which I have to draw. As we are speaking, Aapl is trading in a so-called rising channel formation. We do have this lower support just connecting all of the previous significant lows, and we do have the upper resistance trend line connecting all of the previous significant highs. We just saw an incredible rally of about plus 40% towards the upside on Aapl without any real correction. Looking at the previous patterns, it's quite likely that Aapl will come back to retest the previous all-time high, which is roughly at this $190 level. So we actually have multiple factors pointing towards a rejection away towards the downside. And if we measure the potential move from here, you can see that it will be a drop of roughly minus 13 to minus 15% towards the downside. You're not in a position now, you can simply wait for a retest of this previous resistance, which will be turned support. And if we then see bullish confirmation, it's quite likely that following these previous patterns, we will see the continuation away towards the upside. If you are into shorting stocks, this could now be a quite nice trading opportunity, considering that Aapl is also starting to shift back to a bearish market on smaller time frames. Of course, that's totally up to you, but nevertheless, I will certainly keep you updated regarding this very interesting situation which we have on Aapl.